If you think AI is still just ChatGPT giving you bad recipes, the internet would like to have a word with you. Here are 3 new AI tools causing absolute chaos online. First up is Lovable. It's an AI app builder that went viral because you literally just type what you want in plain English, and it builds a fully working, production-ready web app in seconds. Non-tech founders are using it to launch real software businesses overnight, while professional coders are having existential crises on Twitter watching an AI do a week's worth of work before their morning coffee finishes brewing. Next is Whisper Flow. This voice dictation tool lives directly inside your computer and turns messy verbal rambling into perfect, structured text with zero lag. It doesn't matter if you stutter, mispronounce words, or stop mid-sentence to sigh at your screen, it cleans up your thoughts instantly. People on TikTok are completely abandoning typing and just aggressively talking to their laptops in public like villainous movie characters. And finally, Pomeli by Google Labs. You just drop in a link to your website, and Pomeli extracts your brand's colors, fonts, and tone to generate custom social media posts in about 60 seconds. Marketing agencies are terrified because it does in 1 minute what usually takes a 5-person team 3 Zoom meetings and for iced lattes to figure out. Which of these tools would you actually use? Or is AI getting way too fast for comfort? Drop a comment, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.